Hello guys, welcome to this channel. I hope you guys are doing well. Before we start, make sure to subscribe to this channel and hit that notification bell to get updated from us. Today in this video, I am going to teach you to find chapter through Brainly app. This process is similar for Android and iOS device. Firstly, make sure that you are connected to your Wi-Fi and you are already logged into your Brainly account. Now let's get started. Open your Brainly app. Here I go. At the bottom you can see different options. Choose the textbook. Here I go. Now at the top you can see search bar. You can type the name of book, author or subject there. Here I will be typing the name of book. Type on search after you are done. Now choose the book you were searching for. After you found it, tap on the book. Now you can see different chapters relating to the book. Tap on the chapter you were searching for. Here I was searching for polynomial functions, so I'm tapping on that. Here you can see different exercise relating to the chapter. In this way you can find the chapter through using Brainly app. I hope this video will help you. At last, make sure to like, share and subscribe to this channel. Thank you.